GC News, Bema Ovia Aquaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwanamidi, Bremo. Noti, so we now subscribe or more than say we subscribe to the channel. The way I say, we click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification of when sir, you be able to when the first person out, sir, I can a video. I feel we are now, well, like video. My thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. Now, feel. Share my offer for so now when you be here now and someone else ewo Ghana memoano afi yebura and someone about the toll yeponoso yiti a yes answer ya ekosi report ya about to the yiti yeposo yiti
Ghana ya da hoyi wouldn't inside of this country and chain me. That is why Akufo Addo told them at a cabinet meeting that find a very gentle way to deal with him because I know him. Yes, Nana don't name me. Because I saved his life. Samakada. And how I saved his life. Time of his only God knows. And not there, what for second to me men can't die. If you say enche, obey a man penny dada. Enche, obey a man penny dada. That is why I am NAPO who yamahi. If you say obidi man penny via yan kanachi asamone. Se wundi ma obin kanche sa mo NAPO no. So no kanche se mo kwame nkroma no. Sa mo so mo NAPO no. Mo kanche no. Se obidi man penny ewia. Eti se obi a wawu yan kanachi asamone. Jano manenye ne ho. If you say they are all the here, I want a name no. Or no, maybe be original na console. I say so okay. So be we are scratch no. Ne jani mjano. So be say bi a twene bra. Eti da na po bie na no kan say me nya ndisi ni. Ba me ye Ghana ni. Say the former president of this country, John Dramani Mahama, or John Agyapong, or a former president. Police Amidas over to a year free so. It's a da na pobie na no can say. Nana yet police a pesa video no mame. Because I never need to pay was some kroma, Piano Meka home. Say. Na ndi office NDC for kwakoyi ni papa bi de na bre Ghana wo wenye ni papa bia enyina ma te se John Dramani Mahama yam for the se Mahama sabia bru sabia nyado onye obi ampa so ye bodani a otwita kwatam biribi efa tokone ema nsuo besene na napo etibi bie na no kasa echre obi a wadi mampani Nana Addo dankwa Akufo Addo na mu na ono bedi president ema wo benya minister di ye no ni kuro mu nsuo Mahama ko ho ensuo na wo chebi no Mahama na ye chebi efimra odoman kuma bo ade bo ade beti na wo nsuo seye Mahama na di nsuo ko chebi na so bie na no kasa bo so am so Captain Smart mu ade na niam akode monapo no de no bu ade obi otum for create me tu no for akwa we 2 hours later ka cho otum for say fa won say hunu so ma me ko ka de mpesem ka. What are we talking about here? Huh? Three bie na no it is a wo catch no obi say na madwe ye me say ekuo we koyi ni papa bi aba na wenye ni papa bia nyina mbate se John Dramani Mahama opeso kanda na che ye former president ye de sika na datua ne kabesi ne. What it means is that Ghana for na moa asamna na pokan na sekere no se Ghana for nyina ye na ye moa eti me ka se wo to aba me bia aba obi afa so. What he said GJ got silenced. What NAPO said, everybody was quiet in this country. And this man said these words about our former president. And nobody said anything to him. And you guys think that we will sit down and watch
Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Just anybody to say anything. Now NPP before the woman bought them. Some GJ no so sorry I'm so cancer phone said. And so when you say this about a former president, sabi. Minimum be or two about my NDC. Me I don't know. Because me NDC. But so who be one no catch the Ghana for over 6 million. Our motto Abama Mahama 2016 2020. Say ne yenim se munkoyi ni papa bi e de ama Ghana. Mwenye ni papa bi enyi da mate se John Mahama. Hey, sir. Ana media houses e wo krom hamu na ma edi no. Na men kotia akwa bi a waye soro ha se wanya HIV. Said then 18th August 2021 me can some chrewa me mouth date and time. Etini yet me quarter no me di for no. Na bi so dwane. 18th August 2021. This is the message Gabby sent to me. And I am reading this in English. 18th August 2021. Na me wo fia how? Me ba fia 1st June 2021. June, July, August. Me show. Just 2 days after. Me say show. Now that day, 18th August 2021, show no coordinado homa. So there was a family meeting over my head. So we need catch now. The Achim Caucus met. Woman share with Jubilee House. Woman share with Cantonment. Woman share with East Legon. Woman ko share directly opposite Electoral Commission. I was standing right behind them, but they didn't see me. The Achim Caucus had a meeting. And then my catch was sent me by Juma. Into be our fear be a penny for pen paper natural ye. The one can so be flare or catch rail. O Fremia, Minubenya some office. Tie, natural. Now what me aka? Eti we meeting no. Wako meeting no 1:30 p.m. Eti above 4:28. Na Gabby Ochredako sending me message. I said something about Kweku Annan and taxes. Yes, say Kweku Annan on PM free forest. Neba deputy minister. Any then Gabby sent this. Look at this. My phone I'm the now listen.
You are watching Juicy News on
I believe
YouTube.
the last time I spoke to
you are watching Juicy
of
News
Angel.
on YouTube. Hot news all time.
It is a NPP for catch say Angel Group part of one district, one factory. It's a lie. I believe the last time I spoke to a team of Angel must have been in 2019. 2019 and Kweku Annan call London no. That same time, na me call France. Kweku Annan flight from Kotoka International Airport or call UK. The same day, na me so me Trump aeroplane na me call France. Me sense central for now boss slim can some dibechi cause a number. Also, when we bumped into each other at Heathrow Airport checking in. So, I would be surprised if he mentioned my name, Tenye. Or say, he would be surprised if Kweku Annan mentioned his name as being connected to any pressure on him. On pressure from the tax man into bracket Nanado. Yamam Troy, William Gabby, catches on her phone. On the pressure from the tax man, my law firm is facing same. It is the season. The pressure is on all of us. O send a message we mami 18th August 2021. Munina ubia wunim said ye show Our network bi so no. 18th August 2021 marching ayeye ofia ha. Ube who say I spoke about Ejapade. Gyamfi no nto. And I'm responding man and say that is why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor. Because let me tell you an authority. Wamuchwe Ejapade no na Gabby ocheda kunni ho. But Gabby came to read the final document. Tell you, me, I know, and they know I know. Me, I know, and they know I know. I am repeating. I know, and they know I know. Eti, me trauma Gabby say, me response ni, me what's up ni. Me say, that is why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor of the pressure mounted on him. Because Nana Danko Akufo Addo in 2007, Otro companies Makumako 70 year or the president Obeguno. Mena make a and I'll give you the names. If you are not follow me closely on my Facebook and follow me closely on my I say I'm friend of Twitter. I say I'm saying whatever. Follow me there.
On YouTube.
In 2007, Otro companies Makumako 70 Ghana ha so no odi president obegusa companies nina so that the cousin Ken Ofori Atta can take over the entire financial enterprise of the economy. Ken Ofori Atta can take over the entire insurance enterprise of the economy. That is the word they use, the enterprise. And I'll come to explain to you enterprise. Enter and surprise them. Their enterprise is not the enterprise you know in the dictionary. Their enterprise is enter and surprise them. There are 70 companies. I say, I know, say, a good. Nana do a good. And these things happened when Bawumia was called on the 18th of November 2018. Ask Bawumia if he doesn't know what I'm talking about. 18th November 2018. I know and they know I know. Me no mu tu kwan. Me ye me ho kwasia. Ene na me di ho machi. Me no sha brabase a wadwuma se me yegimi fo. Eto be hu se ba ye tu kwan ni wi a na be hu se o ka asafo a bottom 70 companies. So this was my response. That's why I said I don't believe the Gabby factor of the pressure mounted on him. Bam. Me first na me trouble for Facebook. Me share that tron said ya mabon. Me share that. Unim me the dakuro ubenim me. Then on the 8th of March 2024, Gabby them in the casa phone. So I me call the office twice. Office I think they come to me to say it's legal how to grow baby say call love bon command and Opoku. My former manager a franchise Otek FM and also we be asase and I am person mo fa me na me call morning show e wa asase mwa. Me say na me ba adwuma. Eti ye wie Ejapade ye ni 3 days spell. You do document in the baby. I want you to follow me. Hey, Ejapade document no, and you fake document no. I shall say 2007. Mina me catch now, and I am daring Gabby Ochredako who read one more document na Gabby on campo no mucho. Oba no type here no. Me so ko University of Cape Coast. Minimum pa, and they know I know her pa. Enipo of our final document no. All send ya komo bia or ye mistake the kwatu obi fufro baby and also they know I know him pa mi Okyehene wadaruma ho fedodo Okyehene papa Okyehene wadaruma ebia abrafo efi moja wachi enchesa wonye Okyehene twi na makane mu odu na nanam abrafo ani ahemfo na tiase sabrafo fi moja wo hene chi a ente so hene nyo hene woda ye hene na mo mabrafo no ofi moja wochi ye wie ya pepe na Gabby ochida ko fa the phone no send me message. Captain, I am not too sure what you seek to achieve by inciting hatred against Achims. No, not every Achim. I know the Achims I am talking about. And quoting from a document that every person without analytical cognitive dissonance, can tell it's fake, and using that to whip up hatred. Gabby Nasani Yimami, I want to tell you, I know. Presenter B and Gana Gabby watching the phone and sending a message on the Japade. It is not cool. It is unpatriotic. Last part, I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing. 10 years. I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing, but to express my outer disappointment with you as a person I have known for years. 10 years. This is 8th March 2024. I am reading that again. So when I tell you I know that family, don't doubt me. Or say, I am refraining myself from commenting publicly on what you are doing, but to express my utter disappointment with you as a person I have known for years. I've told you so, feel land imba yehuno. And then I didn't quote 2 months uncompleted building. Akufo time in 2001 February no me who Gabby Ochredago. And I have known Gabby from that time to today. Yes. Somebody I have known for years. Okay. We were not trained to be journalists to create and incite hate in society we seek to serve. Have a good day. And I'm sure was here. Okay. That was my response. Gabby says he knows me for years. Me say a Japanese document. Watch on Gabby knew. Gabby came to read the final document. Afei, a Japanese document had NAPO in mind. One, to discredit Akufo. They were going to use NAPO to discredit Akufo. No one really so may use NAPO, Matthew Opoku Prempeh. So, wo, Sikabia will hear Bia no Yabamwenya, but I know the Japanese book no Yamalinkum. By any queer no befaso, Yabamwa education. Hey, Sikabia Opebia pe. Teacher for laptops are also better. Would you at Musika? Who told one told watch this. Nobody in government. Have you realized this? Nobody in this administration. And they say yate a church for sika say the control laptop amao na pona tete ye one talk. But obedient me anka ho he ene number 1. Mebwana. By ebe you so wo Matthew Opoku Prempeh and nanadu ni mwana kumam pa se abrantie no na identity no originally fault to home. And so better they use no against the original Pejafie John Ajekumkufo Amada Paba. Eti yede obeye kade obeka obi anya wo hwe eti na put me to fun pa wo kroma abai mu ni pe bia ntimi nkasa meboa napo me nua na oye show wo joy ade ne badodo Kojo Tróuble platform. Kwame, calm down. Kojo Ponkroma. I say, in politics, when you are looking for somebody being used, if you look forward, you look back, your left, and your right, and you can't find that person being used, that is you. Kojo Ponkroma Nekai. Napo, you are being used. If you care to know, I am telling you today. 2. Say ebe you su NAPO after see Benjano say onye bibia ope na kanya wanwa say ye wura club ya sante kotokoro tumfo say Tróuble bi o kura ka say dum so asa na aduane ye hye fridge mfa cho me nam kan na put me bia na no aka chen say wa o si dum so aba no ko for timetable bra abai mu bia nka hwe because you see there's a spirit and the letter of every document. It's in NAPO. We will use you against a certain region. Say whatever you want to say. Do whatever we want to do. Nobody will touch you. Any part behind the scenes. Now we are functional. Ewe Japade document ni mono. I am sitting here today. Kandapa kaho, you have been used. Huh? Former Deputy Chief of Staff, your friend say, Asenso Boakye, you have been used. The only person no want to be used no eh Cecilia Dapa ba mame also one hwe wachi Cecilia Dapa mame Aremeyaw one hwe wachi I didn't tell one person obeka say he mame ne da obebie na no say bo asemwe montronto ho ada Cecilia Dapa bebie na no but ebia ombie ada Dapa Cecilia Dapa bebie na no say po e was na sem na aba ne ho no that day Ghana for be shen wo mo nsa ben pu abrante bi na ot TV bi so no onim asem nim onim hwe sa kwa no onim hwe that's Cecilia Dapa bebie na they realize say you can use Cecilia Dapa wo say baby a ball awo cash wo eti yen sha dan fa ne nkoto ne yen tra ne yama ya dwen se obenye sika ne yen use no but omo who said no you can never break the bond between Cecilia Dapa and the new penny John Agyapong eti sa na tie dia yen use chief of staff me say na me ba adwuma oh no so your ba no nkuntia Cecilia Dapa make a chief of staff for Tróuble here. Only make an 18th November meeting Michel. Mwa. Adam see a friend Bawumia. Mwa. A day in the office of the chief of staff and a transfer police nina. Investigator na now or investigating Cecilia Dapa case no. And then a transfer no. Huh? I know. And they know, I know. Federal Tonjay. And the Padia document na dahona ye kan wasam na answer na no mami na po video no. Bobam. Say asamo kan you. Sound.
Say this vobunyeli papa bi afam Danyamiase. Say this vobunyeli papa bi afam masa jo mama. It we must ba no try jo mama. Danyamiase. Say this vobunyeli papa bi afam masa jo mama. It we must ba no try jo mama.
Aye. Tieniye. You see, me trap be two mirror na ma chere was here. Me say NAPO was groomed, yeah? When if the answer NAPO disrespect you for a part of the Japade strategic implementation plan. Me na me catch now. About be a nyana adwesa me NAPO maintain NAPO one bit. Me. If not for anything, wa bank for entin no ano no. But NAPO nkrofo na use etima ye wa just $40 billion na wo account mu no ye de ma akwa ye ma wunya no kwa cause deals across energy ministry no eno ye October when Ghana senior journalist no document no October me release ni na contract akoso e wo Ministry of Energy, Ministry of Education time na wo eno ye October me try and November Ewurade Nyakopon Jubilee House and Klata cabinet meeting Klata ebe de okrom ha bruta tie what it you kan producer Bobiam
Danyamiase say this vobunyeli papa bi afam masa jo mama.
Eti wunya minister of state no ye member of parliament time Mahama ye president na so bia na no kasa asem na GJ fo gu ho No wait me anka hwe anche NAPO. No mkwaji 213,000 Ghana cedis. Eye me ho press conference a e kira wo san. Won sa me kan sa no ka se me twa ntro mwa. Sa fe de what NAPO nanum. Odanyame ase. So man ni papa bi such a language to a former president. Obi a wedi president. Wo NAPO wakọ no akọpẹ contract ayan fama ho. Hey. Me say October ho. Enkrate be pie wo Ghana ha no. Ejapade document no. Eba nanado danko Akufo Addo agimu 2007 September. Eti producer we dia man kan trust mepe. Ba hwehwe mame. Che Akufo we hu kura nya hwe. Na ohye brown top. O kan se mi se NPP for kopo bi a obehye nanan a won pedipa wo hwehwe na wo behu no de ti Akufo kan sa ne se kwabrane kwhye na busu achi na odi nsamboni tie amanfo se de be ya na busu betena se a wo hwehwe na wo hu ne da menkyere mu biem
yo waiting for we ni reporter about the Tróuble yepono so because GC News so and our no so we can subscribe ya omodia say we subscribe to the channel now so what like video to give us a thumbs up now share my offer so now when you be here now and someone also essential hardly latest and hot news in Kwana the promo also get me actually what Gyamfi and somewhere now will comment box over to Gabby in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.